Hey guys, been a while since I made a video over here. Um, I got handed this little beast, and I cannot find anything on it. I can't find like a model number or brand or anything. I'm trying to get this thing working before Christmas, and I don't think I'm going to have problems. I just don't know exactly what brand of drone this is. Have any of you guys seen this kind before? Or can any of you guys tell me what I'm looking at here? Once again, like I said, I was kind of looking around at the belly and stuff, and the front lens, and I'm not seeing anything like a company logo or anything. So I'm trying to figure this out for a kid who got into droning because he's liked my photos I've posted on Facebook. Now, my photos that I've posted on Facebook are not anything worth mentioning to me. I'd say go check out Dronicle from Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. Dronicle on Facebook is pretty amazing. So is Damon's Dronography, and of course Steed Sanders. We've got like 3 brilliant drone guys in the Tulsa area, and some others that are on their heels. However, I am not one of them. But anyway, if any of you guys have seen this before, I don't have any associated paperwork with it. Kind of wish I did. Make this whole thing a lot easier. But if you guys know what I'm looking at, or can drop me a comment below and say, hey, it's a, APS 2600, which I know it's not. I would greatly appreciate it. Just trying to help this kid have a good Christmas, and hopefully I can get this thing flying and show him how to use it. Once again, like I said, I have looked all over this thing and I can't find any identifying features, any model numbers or serial numbers or tags or anything. I didn't find any on the battery. I'm charging that now. But thank you guys for watching, and like I said, if you've seen this beast before, or you think you know the family, something like that, let me know, because if I can get this thing flying, hopefully this kid has a good Christmas. That's important to me. I'm really motivated to figure this out just because of that. And I think it's pretty basic. I think just once all the batteries charge up, just operate it like you would like a DJI Mini or something like that. But once again, like I said, I don't really know what I'm looking at here. And I don't know. If anyone knows, give me a shout. I'll appreciate it. And hit me up when you're in Tulsa. Man, I'll buy you a couple of pints or something. Guys, thank you for watching. Talk to you later.